If you go to your browser and check it over here, you can see that by default, we get this welcome page in Django. And we don't want this, right? So we need a custom page built for ourselves. So let's see how we can do that one. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new app and we're going to call it as home. So let's see how we can do that one. Let's go back to our VS Code and I'm going to stop the running server here. So I'm just going to maximize this a little bit. Press Ctrl C to stop that. And here what we're going to do is we're going to create a new app. Now there are two ways of doing this. You can just type in python manage.py new app and you can set the new name for your app. The another way is you can just type in Django admin and you can just type in start app and I'll call this as home. Now I use this method because it's much easier than the other one. Just hit enter. That's going to create a new app. So let me close this my site here and you can see that we have a new folder called home. So if I open this up, you can see that it has a folder called migrations. It has some init file, admin apps, models, test, and some views.py files over here. So I'm going to go through all of this one by one. But first thing is that now we need to register this app in our settings.py. So I'm just going to minimize this thing a little bit. And here you can see that we have a installed apps option. So here I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to give it a comment. I'm going to call this as my apps. So since I'm going to create a lot of apps throughout the course, so I'm going to keep all those apps over here right below the comment. So I'm going to call this as home. Just give it a comma, save that. Okay. And now you can go back to your page and we can run the server. So I'm going to say python manage.py run server. So just type in so python manage.py run server and hit enter. Just gonna maximize a little bit. I know you're seeing this error message, this red color thing, but don't worry about this right now. So we're gonna fix that sooner. Okay, so just click on this one and then run this. We are still seeing the same message. You're still seeing the same Django's welcome page. So we need to modify this page to our page. We're gonna see how to do that in our next class.